Making a game plan. Unlock your strategy for success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, make a game plan. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to achieve personal goals, understanding this phrase can be a game changer in how you approach your objectives. So, let's get started and discover how making a game plan can lead you to success. When we talk about making a game plan, we're referring to the process of creating a detailed strategy or plan of action to achieve a specific goal or to tackle a project. Imagine you're a coach of a football team. Before a big match, you'd outline a strategy for how your team will play to win. Similarly, in life's various arenas, a game plan helps you outline the steps you need to take to reach your objectives, be it preparing for an exam, launching a new product, or even planning a trip. Having a game plan is crucial because it gives you a clear direction. It's about setting goals, identifying the steps needed to achieve those goals, and allocating resources, time, money, effort, efficiently. A well-thought-out game plan can help you anticipate potential obstacles and devise strategies to overcome them, ensuring you stay focused and motivated throughout your journey towards your goal. Creating an effective game plan involves several key steps. 1. Define your goal. Be clear about what you want to achieve. Specificity is key here. 2. Break down the goal into smaller tasks. Identify the steps needed to reach your goal. Breaking it down makes it more manageable. 3. Set a timeline. Establish deadlines for each task. This helps keep you on track. 4. Identify resources needed. Determine what resources, people, tools, information you will need. 5. Anticipate challenges. Think about potential obstacles and how you can overcome them. 6. Monitor progress. Regularly check your progress against your plan and adjust as necessary. Let's look at some practical examples of making a game plan in action. Academic success. A student might create a game plan for studying for finals, outlining what subjects to study each day, when to take practice tests, and how to allocate time for rest. Career advancement. A professional might devise a plan to achieve a promotion, identifying the skills they need to develop, courses to take, and networking opportunities to pursue. Personal projects. Someone planning a big event, like a wedding or a milestone birthday party, would benefit from a game plan that includes budgets, timelines, and a list of tasks to delegate. We hope this video has illuminated the power of making a game plan and how it can be applied to various aspects of your life to achieve success. Remember, a well-crafted game plan not only outlines the path to your goals but also prepares you for the hurdles along the way. So, take some time today to think about your objectives and start crafting your game plan. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a bit of planning and determination. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on English language learning. See you in the next video.